Time to teach you how to sand some wood floors. First thing you gotta do is rent this piece of equipment from Home Depot. It's called a drum sander. Starting with 36 grit sandpaper, moving all the way up to 100. The drum sander is very powerful but very easy to work. You engage the drum by pushing a lever on the side of the handle. Always remember, never start the drum from a stop position. So basically start slowly walking, then engage the drum by pushing the lever up. Then repeat this on the other side, remembering to push the lever down just before you come to a complete stop. Also, every pass you make is 50% of the last pass. Once all that's done, you're gonna rent the edger for the back and the sides that the drum sander couldn't reach. You're going to be using the same grits that you did on the drum sander, 36, working your way up to 100. Make sure to keep this as level as you can and just go right into the wall because it will leave a scratch pattern that you're going to have to cover up later. You want to work in like a Z pattern, so you're going to go with the grain of the wood. You might notice some scratch pattern differences, so you're going to come back with an orbital sander after this and spot check. Then you're going to rent the third machine to buffer. You're going to use 100 or 120 grit screen. This machine blends in all the scratch patterns from the drum sander and the edger, making the floor silky smooth. This machine's super easy to control. Leaning the machine up goes one way, leaning the machine down goes the other. I like doing the whole room twice, going at a nice steady pace. Once the floor is looking good, you're going to come back and start your stain. It's always good to use a little brush to do the edges so you don't get the wall too dirty, and then you're going to come back with a lamb's wool applicator. Work in small sections so this stuff doesn't dry on you before you start the next roll. Once you apply the stain, you're going to have to wipe it off with 2 towels, one in one hand and one in the other. This part's a pain in the butt. You're not done yet. Add some floor finish, buff, and finish again.